Yeah, so in our previous classes, what we were discussing, about Sn,
SN.
right? Yeah,
SN.
Sn. So let me write it here just for a basic summary. What do you mean by Sn? Sn means sum of the first n terms on AP. Sum of the first n terms of AP. Okay, now what do you mean by this? So if I write any AP, for example, if I write 1, 5, 9, etc. Okay, so if I write here S3, it means sum of the first three terms of AP. Okay, how many terms? Three terms.
Three
It
term.
means if you add 1 plus 5 plus 9, you will get S3. S3 can simply be written as A1 plus A2 plus A3. Similarly, if I ask you to write S5, it means sum of the first
Five. Five
5
term.
terms. So it means
A1
you have
plus
to
A2
add,
plus
yeah,
A
from A1 to
plus
A5.
A4 plus
Okay,
A5.
but this writing, like adding A1, A2, A3, it will be very lengthier procedure. So we have a formula for that, which I have already explained. It is known as SN formula, and the
N by
formula
2
says n by 2 into
into
2a,
2A plus
yes, n
N
minus 1
minus 1 into
into
D.
d. Okay, this is the formula where n is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is common difference. Now
Common difference.
question number 40 says, find the sum of the first 10 terms of AP. 3 comma 7, 3 plus 7 plus 11. Either they will give you in the sum form or in the comma form. Okay, using formula. So this formula you have to write, and then data first you should write. Data means whatever is given in the question. So as per the data, A is how
A
much?
is equal to 3.
Yes, A is 3. What
B is
about
equals to
D?
4.
Yes, it is 7 minus 3, which is 4.
4.
Now n is how much? What is the value of n?
10.
Yes, n is 10. Number of terms 10. Okay. Then you have to find S10, correct? Sum of the first 10 terms. So you should use this formula, substitute. It is about remembering the formula, substituting and solving. That's
2
all.
into 3.
Yes. 10 minus 1 into
10
d is how?
minus 1 into
4.
4.
So this is 5. 6 plus 9. This is 9 into 4
9.
is how much? 36.
32.
Right? So 5 into 42. How much is this? 21. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Others, have you guys got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Sir, once again you explain.
See, I will be uploading this video on my YouTube channel later. Okay, so you can watch it from there. Okay, but if you want any part which you have not understood, you can ask. I will try to clear that doubt. But explaining the whole question again, it will be like time consuming. Those who have understood, it will be a repetition for them. So if you have any doubt in this part or any part, you just tell me where you have not understood. You just let me know. I will try to clear it. Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the guy who asked to repeat. What is your good name, brother?
Sir, Muzammil.
Yes, so Mr. Muzammil, where is the doubt? What doubt do you have?
Sir, 40th question.
40th question, the whole question. See, the question
Yes,
says
sir.
find the sum of the first n terms. So whenever they ask you to find the sum of first n terms, you have to use this formula. You should remember this formula. Got it?
Sn is equal to n by 2
Yeah,
bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
exactly. Then using the data of AP, here the AP is 3 comma 7 comma 11. and so on. So you should know what is A. A means first term.
3.
D. D means common difference, the gap.
7 minus 3.
Exactly. And S10 you have to find. So use this formula, substitute. If you solve, you will get the answer. Understood? It's all basic maths, calculations. Any doubt? Shall we move to the next question? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you
Yes,
see
sir.
this 43? Question number 43. These all are from LBA. Okay? Yes. Can you see the question? Or shall I zoom it? So, someone by the name Ilma International School. Yes. Who is this? A single student or?
This is myself, sir. This is the admin here.
Okay, okay, man. Fine. I thought the whole school have joined.
No, no. I have informed in the class today.
Okay.
I have conveyed the message in the class.
Yeah.
We will. They were saying that after this Bakrid holidays, they might join, sir.
Ah, fine. Not a problem.
Okay, fine.
Yes. So, guys, can you try this? Question number 43. Are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First, what you have to do, see here directly they have not given AP, right? Like our previous question. Here indirectly they have given AP. So first you have to form the AP. Okay. The question says find the sum of the first 20 positive integers using formula. Okay. First 20 positive integers. So which are the positive integers? See, integers means it is the combination of negative and positive numbers, right, along with this whole number. So if you go towards left side, -1, -2, -3, these all are negative integers. Positive means it will start from +1,
2
+2,
plus
+3. Yeah. So AP is this one, 1 comma 2 comma 3 4
3,
up
4,
to
5.
20. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So data says first term
D is
is
equal to
1.
1.
Yeah. D is 2 minus 1, again 1. And N is how much?
20.
Exactly, it is 20.
20.
Yes. So use the formula because the marks is there for formula also. They have told using formula, okay? So you have to use the formula, substitute and tell. N is again 20 by 2 here.
Sir, we will solve, sir, this sum.
Okay, try fast. Okay. So substitute all the unknown terms here. So 20 minus 1, D is again 1. So this will be 2 tens of. You get cancel. Here 2 ones are 2. Again 20 minus 1 is 19 into 1. So 10 into 2 plus 19 is how much? 21. So 21 into 10 is 210. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
210 is the
Yes,
right
sir.
answer. So these are the 2 marks questions which will be asked. Okay, like similar questions, I'm not telling you'll get the same, but similar questions you'll get. Now, okay, this is easy, and this these all are similar one. We move to some other question. Okay, now can you see this question number 48?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this one, can you try? First Have they given AP directly?
No, sir.
No. So you have to frame AP first. Can anyone tell me what will be the AP just by looking at the question?
The number which is divisible by 5.
Yes, that is fine. So it should be divisible by 5. Okay, and then the numbers between
1 to 201.
exactly 1 to 200. So we know basic rule. Which numbers will be divisible by 5?
5, 10, 15.
Yes, the number which ends with 5 or 0, correct? Okay, it should be more than 5 or equal or more than 5, and it should end with 5 or 0. So 5,
5,
10, 15, up to what they have told, 2 not 1.
2 not
So
1.
2 not 1, and before that is 200. So this
100.
cannot be divisible. 2 not 1 cannot be divisible, right?
Yes, sir.
200, since the last term is 0, it is divisible. So AP is indirectly given as 5, 10, 15 up to 200, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now can you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we will solve.
Okay, this is little different. Directly you will not get the answer, but try to solve. Let me see. Use the common problems which we have discussed in our previous classes, then try this. Because they have not given n term. N value is missing here. Okay, they are just telling find the sum of natural numbers between 1 and 2 not 1 that are divisible by 5.
Sir, n value is 200.
No, no, no. How can it be? N means number of terms. This is last term 2 not 1. We don't know n value. You have to find that first. So try. Let me see. Are you able to solve this or no? It's easy.
Sir, what is Sn value, sir?
That you have to find. That is the question. Okay, see. If I write data, A is given. What is A?
5.
Sir, we will try, sir.
Okay, okay. Just a simple hint I will give. A is 5. What is D?
5.
Again 5. Okay. But if you look at this 200, what is this 200 called as?
Nth term.
Exactly, very good. Nth term, an, right? Last term or nth term. So you have an extra data, an. So using this concept, can we find n first?
An formula.
Exactly. Use an formula and find n. Then use Sn formula. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And in Sn formula, you have to use this one. This will be easier after getting n. A plus an. One more formula we have, remember? Yes. So first use an formula, find n, then use Sn formula, the second one, and get the answer. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try.
Sir, n is equals to 40.
Yes. Yeah. Tell me.
N is equals to 40.
40.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others, have you got 4040 looks correct. So let me also try this. Those who have not done, try. N minus 1 into D is 5. So 200. This 5 you should bring to LHS. So it will become minus 5, which is equal to n minus 1 into 5. So this is 195, which is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now 5 is getting multiplied. So if you get it to LHS, it will get divided, which is equal to n minus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you solve this, how much will you get? 5 4 is a 5 3 is a 15. Then 4. So 5 9s. So n minus 1 is 39. So n will be 39 plus 1, which is equal
Sir,
to 40.
n is equal to 40, sir.
Exactly. Yes. Good. Now use this formula and tell me the value of Sn. Sn value. Can you all do this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try and tell me the answer. See, you try to solve using both the formula now. Just to check, to cross verify, use this formula first and then use this formula as well. Let's do it using both the formulae, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, see whether you are getting same answer or no.
Sir, 4100.
4100. Okay, so 40 by 2, 5 plus 200. Yes, mute yourself. Who is that?
Sir, we will try, sir.
Yes, try. Yeah, it is correct. Try using this formula now. In exam there is no need to use both the formula, but just for your practice I am asking you to use both the method and solve. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, do it and check, and you have to tell me which is lengthy, the first one or second one.
Sir, second one.
Yeah, that's why we have the first, this one, this formula we have. When you have first and last term you can do it directly. This will be little lengthier, but still you do it here and tell me the answer. And are you guys, those who have joined late, are you following the YouTube videos?
Yes, sir.
If you join late, you can watch it from there. And also try to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Right? You can do at least that much. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Will you guys do that? Okay. So mostly by June 1st, the classes will be chargeable. Okay? June 1st or first week, I will decide that. This chapter is coming to an end now. In another 1 or 2 classes, it will be ended. Like the explanation part will be done. Then there will be, like, I'll try to give tests. Okay, based on that, we'll see whether to move to next chapter or to solve your doubts and all. You can keep ready the questions with you guys. You can refer previous exam question paper. How can you get that? From KSEAB website. Okay, from this website you can get the question papers, all the model, like of last 10 years they might have uploaded there, model question paper and exam question paper. Okay, you can download it.
Yes,
if
sir.
if possible, you take a print and keep with you. In most of the school they will tell all about this at last, before the like 1 or 2 months of the exam. But if you keep it from now itself, you can practice well and you will get good marks. Good
Sir,
means
6100, sir. SN formula.
how come? It should be same. If you're getting different value, then there is some calculation mistake. Okay. Yeah, so what I was telling, see, no need to refer this and that publication books. Okay, if you have understood the chapter, solve the textbook questions, refer the previous exam
Sir,
questions.
4100, sir.
Yeah, that is fine. That is the correct answer. So have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so let's see some more questions. Okay, so 53. Yes. So now try this 53. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is again a little different type. So here first you should write the data and you tell me what they have asked. Okay, what is the question asked and what are the data given?
How many AP should we add to get 162?
Yes, how many terms we should
162.
add? Yes, so what is given? Data, can you tell?
A is equals to 3.
Yes.
D is equals to 3.
Okay,
Something was given.
what they have
N
given?
is equals to 165.
What equals to 165?
N.
No, that is not n. Read the question carefully. It's not n.
N.
Uh-huh. See how many terms of the AP must be added to get the sum 165. So they have given Sn. Sn is 165 and they are asking you n. How many terms are there? So if we add them, the sum should be 165. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So which formula you have to use? Sn equals to
N.
n by 2 into 2a
N by
plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, use this formula, substitute and tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Everyone trying this? And which lesson should I start after this one? Shall I start from the beginning? Real numbers?
Sir,
Triangles.
Triangles, polynomials. Okay. Then?
because it will come for FA1.
Okay, FA1. Triangles. Hmm. Your school has been reopened, everyone?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Have they started taking the classes?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
How many lessons have they completed?
3.
Three. Oh. And you people have understood them properly.
Yes, sir.
Explanation means like everything they have done or just giving the notes.
Both, sir.
Okay. So you can easily solve any questions, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. So we can start. Mostly I was planning linear equation, but we'll see. We'll take a vote, then we'll decide. Okay. First, let us complete this properly. Like it should be in your head till your final exam gets over, and that is possible only if you practice. Okay, if you have understood, you know the formula, but if you don't practice, you will forget it. So try to solve problems at least daily. If that is not possible, once in a week you refer previous exam question, take any one paper, you will get at least 3 to 4 questions of AP in that. MCQ 2 marks, 4 marks. Try to solve them. That is enough. Yes. So got the answer? Have you guys got the answer of this question?
Solving, sir.
Okay. N is equals to 55. Okay. What about others? Let's check. So Sn value is 165, N is unknown, A is 3, N unknown, and D is 3. So simplify this. How? Keep this as it is, N by 2, multiply this. 2 3 is 6, plus multiply here as well. N into 3 is 3N, minus 3 into 1 is 3. So you can transfer this 2 to LHS. So it will become 165 into 2, which is equal to N. And here you will get 6 minus 3 is 3, plus 3N. Now this side you will get 0, 12, 1, 13, 2 ones are 2, 330, which is equal to N into 3 is 3N, 3N into N is 3N squared. So which type of equation are you getting here if you arrange it properly? Do you know anything about this?
Quadratic equation.
Exactly. So this is a quadratic equation. What is the standard form? Ax square plus
X
bx
square
plus c
plus 3x plus c.
equals to 0. Yeah. So you have a chapter on this, but it was there in ninth, I guess, ninth as well. Okay. So those who have attended those chapters, you can do it. But let me show you here as well how to solve this. See, if you look at all the coefficients in this constant, they are divisible by 3, right? So first divided by 3, take 3 common, you'll get n square plus n minus 3 ones are 3 ones are 0, which is equal to 0, right? Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Now it is a quadratic equation. You can remember like this, because most of you might have solved it in the form of x. So how you solve this? See, what are the values of a, b and c? Can anyone tell me?
A equals to 1.
A
B
is
equals
1.
to
A means it is coefficient of x square. B means coefficient of x. I am comparing this with this one. And C means the constant, which is minus 110. So always you write like this. Make a presentation like this. Here you write the C value, C into A value actually. So 110 into 1 is 110 itself, and since it is negative, I have written here negative. And this side you write the b value. How much is b? B is 1. Any doubt? This is c into a you should
No, sir.
write, and here you should write b value. Now you need two numbers. How many numbers? Two numbers, such that when you multiply you should get this one, 110. If you multiply you should get minus 110, and when you add or subtract you should get 1. Are you getting my point?
11 into 10.
Is exactly 11 into 10. If you do 110 is fine, and this is plus 1,
Minus
but here you
1.
should get minus 110. So you can keep the bigger value as positive and the smallest as negative. Why? Because 11 minus 10 is plus 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So here
yes, sir.
the equation now can be written as, split the middle term, 11n minus 10n minus 110, which is equal to 0. So if you solve this, taking common here, n plus 11 minus 10, again n plus 11, which is equal to 0. So n plus 11 common, you'll get n minus 10. So after solving, You'll get n value as how much?
10.
Yes, this is minus. So n is 10 and
Sir,
n is minus 11. So why can't you take minus 11? You have two values,
because
right?
it's negative, sir. So,
Yeah. So total numbers, the numbers cannot be here. Like find how many terms. So number of terms cannot be negative. It should be positive. So total number of terms is 10.
10.
You got the answer as 10. Suhana? No.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So have you understood now?
yes, sir.
See, all the chapters are interconnected. Okay. Once you have learnt about all the chapter, you'll see most of them are interconnected. In 4 marks, they are interconnected with linear equation. In here in this question, it is connected with quadratic equation. Are you getting? So they will try to give you question like this to check whether you have knowledge of all those chapter or no, indirectly. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so let us see now. 3
Sir,
mark.
wait, sir. I'm copying.
Sorry, you can take a
Wait, sir.
screenshot.
I'm copying.
You can take a screenshot and later you can copy it. Okay. Okay, so let's move to,
Okay, sir.
yeah, some other types. We'll see. These all are, I have done copy pasting, so it's like this. Okay, try this 54th question. This is a 3 mark question. After this, we'll wind up the class, and the next class we'll solve all the 4 mark questions. Yes, can you see this? 54th one. Yes, can you guys solve this? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
try
sir.
Yes,
this.
sir.
Write the data and try to solve.
Sir, A equals to 4.
A is 4. Okay.
D is 6.
D is 6. Okay. What about AP?
Sir, it is AP 4, 10, 16.
Okay, 4, 10, 16. Yes. So let us
Okay.
check. Have you guys got others? See, using these two data, can you find using this one, an is equal to sn minus sn minus 1? If you use this, what can you get easily? You can get a6 easily, s6 minus s5, isn't it? Because they have given
Yes,
these two.
sir.
So a6 will be how much?
140.
114 minus 80.
1, 2, 3.
How much is that?
Sir, how
34.
A6 will come, sir?
34.
34.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so a6 is 34. See, there is a formula. I have already
Sir.
told about this in yesterday's class. Okay. see, whenever you have given two adjacent terms whose sum is given, like sixth term, sum of first six terms, sum of first five terms, so you can use this formula directly. Okay, an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So if you use this, you will get a6. Now a6 you have got, and then what is a6 can be written as
A plus
a plus 5d.
5.
Yes, a plus 5d is 34. Okay, this you can take as equation 1, number 1. So from these two you can use Sn formula. Since,
Sir,
yes,
if the question is changed, the sum of first eighth term means we should have to take A8, sir.
S8, if they give sum, then
Yes,
you should write S8. Okay,
sir. How this A6 will come, sir?
based on these two data, see here S6 and S5 is given, so you have to use an formula. This one, this is the extra formula, you can see here I have written. If you have not attended yesterday's class, please watch the video, only then you will understand. Okay, okay, so here use Sn formula. Now n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn, you have to write S5, 5 by 2, 2a plus n is again 5 minus 1 into d unknown. S5 is how much? 80. So 5 by 2 into 2a plus 4d, correct?
Yes, sir.
So here 80, 5 by 2. I can take 2 common in this, will be a plus 2d, correct?
Yes.
Yes, a plus 2d. So now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So a plus 2d, and here 80, this 5 if come to LHS it will get divided. So if you solve this, how much will you get? 5 ones are 5 6 are. A plus 2d is how much? 16. So
16.
this is equation number 2. Now you have two equations, correct? A plus 5d as 34
Yes.
and a plus 2d as 16. So solve 1 and 2 using linear method. Solving equation 1 and 2. So a plus 5d is 34 and a plus 2d is 16. So subtract it, you will get, this get cancelled, you will get here 3d equals to how much? 14 minus 6 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1. So d is 18 by 3, which is equal to 6. What is the value of d? 6. And you
6.
substitute in either 1 or 2, you will get the value of a. Put d is equal to 6 in equation 1. So a plus 2d is 16. So a plus 2 into 6 is 16. So 16 minus 12, how much is that? 4.
4.
So value of a and d are 4 and 6
4 and
respectively. And AP is 4, 10, 16, etc. Understood?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So this is how you should solve such question. This is a 3-mark question. They may ask for 4 marks as well. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. We'll try to continue the same chapter in the next class, and the video will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can watch it from there. Okay, thank you for joining, everyone.
Thank you, sir.